Manolis Kogevinas. I'm an epidemiologist at the Center for Research in Environmental Epidemiology in Barcelona and at IS Global, the Barcelona Institute for Global Health. This paper reports results from an international study that was done in England, Spain, France, Greece and Lithuania, and refers on exposure to disinfection byproducts in water and birth outcomes. We disinfect the water, we put chlorine, which is good for the microbial risk, but then we produce a lot of unwanted chemicals. There have been some early studies in animals and ecological studies in humans that have shown an association between exposure to disinfection byproducts and growth retardation. So we did this study with 14,000 mother-child pairs in these 5 countries. We did advanced exposure assessment. We evaluated ingestion of water and also exposure through showers, baths and swimming pools. We evaluated genetic susceptibility and did not find any association between this exposure and birth weight or preterm births. The main limitation of this study, similar to practically all other studies on disinfection byproducts in water, is that we measured only trihalomethanes. These are 4 chemicals. They are the most prevalent disinfection byproducts in water, but there are many more. So we are not sure that we are capturing well water toxicity by measuring just the trihalomethanes. This is essentially a problem of how you evaluate toxicity of mixtures. It's not only a problem with water contaminants, it's a classical problem in environmental epidemiology and has a difficult solution. We have 2 studies that have done this very extensive exposure assessment, one in the US and the study in Europe, and both have not found an association between exposure to disinfection byproducts and birth outcomes. This is important for public health and is reassuring. So what else can we do in the future? I think it's a more general issue on studies on chemicals in water that we'll have to find new methods to evaluate better water toxicity rather than focusing only on a limited number of chemicals.